Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you the history of Kono. Kono is a community in Ogoni, Kana. If this is our first time on my channel, please do well to like, share, and subscribe as we continue. My name is Peter Winganali, your host today. So the history of Kono today, I'm going to teach you from scratch how Kono begins, where they came from, where they originated from, and why they are where they are today. The founder of Kono is called Bene Akpana. The father of Bene Akpana is called Bene Yiranam and Bene Yalo. All these people migrated from a community called Gule in the same Kana local government area in River State. It is essential that you should know the origin, you should know the history of your people. Please support this channel as we proceed. So Bene Akpana, being the first son of Bene Yiranam and Bene Yalo, which migrated from Guri, but his father was not alive to accomplish the vision of Bene Akpana to a new location, to a new town called Kono. When they pass away, Bene Akpana proceed on the journey. He did not stop. Bene Akpana was very troublesome, but yet it is gifted. Bene Akpana ambition grew sharper. He went eastward, hunting in a very wide and big forest, and find a place along the Imo River called Kono. As of that time, this place has not been named yet, but this settlement, he saw it that this place will be good for a new beginning. Then he started clearing the land for a new beginning, start setting up structure alongside with some friends, which names will not be mentioned in this video. His name is called Kono, Bene Yiranam and Bene Yalo of Gule. This name can be somehow difficult to pronounce, but these are the names. Bene Yiranam and Bene Yalo of Gule has passed. These people are his fathers. These people are his father. So when they pass away, he started from where they stopped. He started the journey from where they stopped. So if you are to trace the origin of Kono, where they come from, they actually come from a community called Gure in the same Ogoni. So when his father Bene Yiranam and Bene Yalo has passed away, Bene Akpana took over from where they stopped and he proceeded. That was how Kono comes about.